Hi, Wayne White, watercolor artist. Back again. I've been on a break for a while, holidays, but so today I'm painting inside the studio because it's raining outside. So I want to show you how to paint a snow mountain. Here's one I painted a while back. This is Mount Shasta, up in Northern California. This has snow about year-round. Fun and really easy to paint. But today I'm going to paint snow on Mount Diablo, where I live. It's a short distance from my house here, and it only snows about every 10 years. So this is a picture that I took from our bedroom balcony past winter. I attempt to paint that now. I've got my pencil to establish the composition. I'm going to, let's put this one aside now. Done that. Now, here's a thumbnail I did in practice, and what I've discovered is what I'm not going to do. I left a cloud in the sky, and but you see that white cloud conflicts with the snow. I'm going to not put a white cloud in there. I'm going to make it a simple blue sky. I'll mix up my own green here. I have my foreground green in. Then I got a hill going back, and that's going to be, I'm going to put more blue in it, and that's going to be a cooler green going back. There is going to be light, except I'm going to put some shadows, some shadows that are being cast. There's trees up there that you can't see. It's a pure yellow. I mean, that's going to be a cool green. And using my 1-inch flat brush, but now I'm gonna go in with a snow scene. Now it's going to be the white of the paper. This is watercolor, so we don't use white. Paint white. We let the paper establish the white. Easy, simple way to paint a mountain that's covered with snow is the areas of the mountain that aren't covered with snow. It's kind of a grayish color. But this is a good time to start using your Payne's gray. You can mix a gray, which I probably would do if I had a lot of time. But it's faster to do it this way, so I'm going to put I'm putting in the ground area. Then it's not quite so covered with snow. So I'm just playing with the values now. The value of the ground cover. Okay. Okay, we'll leave the mountain alone for now. Back and do a little more work on it. But right now I want to start putting it in where the trees are going to be. What I want to use here. Maybe I'll start with the big one. This is winter time. The greens are going to be on the cool side, mixing up my greens here. Oh my goodness. These at least shed their leaves yet, so. Well, it doesn't show a tree here, but I'm going to put in one for balance and composition. Then I'll be coming back and putting the shade in and the branches and the trunks of the trees. I'll be doing that right after this fuchsia wash dries. Bluish purple color. My blue and put some red in there. So this is going to be shadows from the trees off screen. You can't see them. I'm going to quit because the San Francisco 49er football game is coming on, and I'm about 90% through anyway, and I'll probably finish it up tomorrow. I don't have a lot to do, and but you can see where I'm going with this. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it will show you how you can paint a snowy mountain. They're very easy to do. You just have to remember, leave the white of the paper to show the snow. So until next time, see you later.